What's up guys, if you've been in with RestoCycles for long enough, you know that this is one of my personal daily bikes. It's about to be a new season and I want to do some maintenance to this bike, and also I got some pretty cool parts I'm going to be installing on this thanks to Moped Division. And on my rear wheel, I'm actually only running 2 of the 4 bolts that I should be running, so I got to correct that today. So guys, I actually rode this bike, no joke, all year. I didn't realize how bad this was. Check this wheel out. All right, so we got 1 bolt, 2 bolt, and then missing a bolt, missing a bolt. But here's the really funny part is look at this. All I can say is I'm really glad that these 2 bolts held. So let's fix this. Alright, finally, all the maintenance is done. Now it's time to install some new parts. I got a new set of handlebars and a bigger seat. I'm getting tired of leaning over on a small seat, so let's install these parts. My new parts are on. All I have left to do is I'm going to do an oil change to the motor, and then we're going to take this thing outside and go for a ride. right, guys, so the Maxi's all ready to go. What do you guys think with the new handlebars and the new seat? So let's go ahead and start it up for the first time. All right, now it's finally time. Let's take this thing for a ride. And don't forget, safety first. I got this custom helmet by my buddy Cornpad. He does YouTube as well. You guys should check out his channel. And let's get riding. So with that, guys, I am super happy how this thing came out. It is riding so much better. I can already feel the extra torque. I'm super happy with how the whole process came out. So guys, stay tuned. We're gonna be trying to get a video out every single week, and like and subscribe, and don't forget, ride safe.